It's time for calendar and weather. Do you remember the month we're in? Well, what month is it? I heard some of you say we are in March. And what number comes after 10? 11. You're right. Let's go ahead and check our resource. We started the number 10. The number after is 11. Let's get that number. It is March 11th, 2022. Let's put this on the calendar. And what day of the week are we on today? Do you know? It's a fantastic what? Let's find the day of the week that starts with a f sound like F, fan. Let's see. Can you see it? Friday, Friday. We are on Friday. Did you remember that? Let's go ahead and get that word. Today is Friday. And do you know what yesterday was? Well, let's see. Today is Friday. The day before is Thursday. Thursday. Did you know that? Go ahead and pat yourself on the back. Yesterday was Thursday. And do you know what tomorrow will be? Well, think about it. If today's Friday, what day comes after Friday? Here's Friday. The day after is Saturday. Saturday. Did you remember that, kindergartners? If you did, great job. Let's go ahead and get that word. Tomorrow will be Saturday. And we're at the very end of what season? It's the final countdown of it. Do you remember? We are at the end of winter, and we will be switching to which season in, my goodness, 9 days. Do you know what season we're going to switch to in a little over a week? We will switch to the season called spring. Okay, class family, what date will spring officially happen? Where we switch from the season called winter to dun, 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 spring. Name that date. You can answer it together. The date is, I heard you say it, March 20th. March 20th, we will officially become the season called spring. Now, let's describe the weather for today. The weather is sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, or windy. What do you think? It's definitely sunny. Let's go ahead and get that. Oh, I think it's hidden in here. It is. Let's get sunny. And it's going to be high 61 degrees Fahrenheit and low 37 degrees Fahrenheit in Northern Virginia. So there are going to be some times where it does feel cold, but when it becomes high 61 degrees, some of you may want to take off your winter jacket. Let's figure out how many days we've now been in school. We were on 116 yesterday. What number comes after 116? Count 116, 117. I heard some of you say it. Let's double check our resource. And when you look on the hundreds chart, we can start on the 16 since we already had 100. And then to start on the 16 and the number after is 17. Let's make this big number and then say it together. Are you ready? Okay. 117. We have 100, 110, 7 ones. Let's get one counting rod and add it to the ones pocket and then count starting with our 100. How many hundreds? 100. Get the 100 in your brain and keep it there. We're going to put the 100 back and get the 110. Did you keep the 100 in your brain? Okay, here's the 10. Got the 100? 110. Keep that here, and let's put the 110 back in the 10's pocket, and then get the 7 ones. Did you keep the 110 in your brain? Well, here are the 7 ones. 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117. Let's put the 7 ones back in the ones pocket and get ready, class family, for our tally mark. We're going to go ahead and pull straight down, and then we will figure out how many days we've been in school. All right, let's go ahead first and skip count by fives to 23 times. Billy, 23 times, and then we're going to put the 2 ones with it. Are you ready? Okay, let's do it, mathematicians. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 105, 110, 115, 116, 117. So many days learning together in kindergarten. Let's go ahead and write today's date. You need something to write on and something to write with. Let's start with our uppercase letter M. Remember, you always capitalize the start of each month of the year because it's special and important. Go ahead, pull straight down, pick up, slant down, slant up, pull down. M-A-R-C-H spells March. Finger space, write the number 11, 1, 1, comma, finger space, 2022. Wow, it's the 3rd month, January, February, March. 3rd month, 11th day. 2022. Let's go ahead, class family. Write that down and then practice reading it. March 11th, 2022.